How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be working on, what'd you say, Sam?
I'm blowing my nose.
Oh, okay. So today we're gonna be working on David's Sentra. And what's wrong with this car is that it does not start. It cranks, but it does not start. So it threw some codes. We're gonna be changing the solenoid. I forgot what it's called. But this part basically goes right here. So basically where the timing chain cover is located right underneath it. So there is a screw on the bottom, there's this connector on top, and all you gotta do is pop it off, and then we'll pop the new one in. Now the challenging part is the fact that the screw is on the bottom. So it's gonna be that's gonna be the hard part to basically unscrew it from the bottom. But we'll show you the process that we did so that way you can use it in your ways, and hopefully we'll make your car work. David showed up with the pizza.
When you picked me up, I was hungry.
Sammy's already munching on the pizza right now. You gotta feed this kid like 5-6 times a day before you can actually do some work. All right, David, go look at the thing that we have to do to your car. That we're gonna be changing out is right there. Basically, right there.
Okay.
All right. So, if you guys don't have power tools at home, then you're gonna need an extension and a 10mm socket. Use a deep shallow socket so that way you can put it on and have enough length. So what you want to do is you're gonna pass it through the back two wires right here. You're gonna have to move them just a little bit. I unscrewed the AC bracket right here so I can have a little bit more wiggle room, and then you'll put your ratchet right back here, connect it to the extension. It's gonna be very little movement, and you're just gonna have to take your time and keep on going. But once you have done that, then you're going to disconnect your harness off of it, and you're gonna pry it off. And once you get it off, it should come off from the front, just like that. So you're just gonna wanna repeat the steps backwards. So this is one of the codes that the car was throwing that this did go bad. And David already had the new one right here, so we're gonna pop it in. And I already changed the spark plugs, but we did realize that the O-rings from each one of the spark plugs was indeed filled with oil, so it is gonna need a new valve cover gasket with the new O-rings as well. Which is, again, it's inexpensive. It's like 30 bucks at the hardware store. So we're gonna pop the new one in, put the screw back in, and connect it, and then hopefully the car starts. Hopefully this is the reason why the car didn't start. Alright, so hold on. So David was already going into the car ready to start it up, already saying, oh, I fixed the car. But we already put the, what's it called again? I'll put the name somewhere up here.
Intake control valve.
No, that's the other part. That's the other part. Same thing.
Same thing.
Well, I'll put the name of the part somewhere around here and everything, and where you can get the part and everything. But, so yeah, basically, like I said, if you don't have power tools, it's gonna be a battle with the wrench and everything to get the bottom screw, because literally Nissan decided to put it right underneath it. But once you have everything, it's pretty much set. So now get your keys, David, and see if it starts.
All right, the keys are over there. Oh no, they're on the top. I got you. All right, let's see the moment of truth that it actually cranks. Ojalá. Oh.
Hold on.
No, wait.
Go again.
Huh.
Go again.
One more time.
Nothing. Okay. So where's the other part? Oh yes. So now we also have this other part for David's car. Right here.
Evaporation system.
Yes. So now we're going to install this one. And then from there go on and then clear the codes, and then hopefully
see what pops up.
See what else pops up on the car. So yeah. Sammy wants to take another shot at cranking the car, so go ahead. Go ahead and crank it.
This is the crank. Oh, move the yeah.
Alright, go ahead and crank it. What did I tell you guys? It's not gonna start.
Try one more time. If it doesn't start, it fucking doesn't start. Yeah, nope.
Alright, so Dave's gonna. Alright, now go get the jack. Listen to your master. Go get the jack.
Bro, fucking.
Go get the jack. No. Alright, David. So how hard on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard do you think it is to change this part from the gas tank?
I say about like a solid 5. It shouldn't be that hard. It's literally right underneath the rear tire. So you grab a jack, lift it up, and it's literally right underneath or next to the gas canister. And it's sitting right here. This is one of the hoses, the sensor, and then this goes to another hose, just like that.
On the bike glasses? That one look professional,
Yeah.
UTI certified.
Get your legs over here. In
This
case
looks
the
wrong.
car falls, I'm gonna drag them out.
That's a flashlight?
You think your response time of the car falling is gonna be able to save David?
Nigga, I'm heavy as fuck.
Hey, stop using that word.
Alright. Nigga,
Nah.
what are you doing?
You're trying to be YouTube successful and David's over here saying the N word.
Alright, scratch
Did
that
you say
out.
that word? Wait, did he?
It's dead though, so.
Oh, give me it. I was trying to find it to charge it, but I don't know where the fuck y'all left it.
Alright, go ahead and connect it.
The cord ain't long enough.
I found it. Okay guys, so once the cars lift up, you're gonna find this panel. Once you remove the panel, there's only one clip that is located right here. Once it's off, you're able to move it down and you have full visual of the evap canister, which is this one right here. All you have is the sensor on the top, one hose, and then the canister connected to your actual gas one. All right, so after that, you just gonna have to remove the hose, the sensor, and it should pop out. And that's about it.
Okay guys, so we had a little difficulty trying to put this in, so we decided to take off the tire, which gave us a little bit more room. And so you can see it right here. So in this case, it has 4 access points for you able to slide in, 2 big ones and 2 small ones, right there. All right, so when you want to, before you slide it in, grab something to lubricate it, probably like WD-40 or liquid wrench if you guys have it, to put on the bushings. All you're gonna do after that, and this is dead.
Se murió. Your phone.
All right, so in this case, what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze, hold to the left. All right, make sure to line up the end, and now it's pushed in. Then after that, you're just gonna turn to the right, put in the clip. Oh, before I forget, so it has this little clip right here, so you can literally lift that up. Oh, shit. Right there, and that's in place. Add the clip, as so. Did I put it in back? No. There you go, that's in. Grab the hose. Good enough. And then you're good. You're all set.
Alright, now let's see if this thing cranks up. Alright, so nothing. We already fixed a few of the codes that were on, that it was throwing. So now we're gonna get the scanner, delete the codes, and see if it throws any different codes or anything, and then go from there. Okay, so we already changed